I will talk about how can you add your favorites on your Travigo app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just search here for any ROM you want to add to your favorites. I'm going to click here on this ROM for example. So you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now to add it to your favorites, just go above this sign, click on it here, just click on it. So when you just click on it, like we see this color show for us here, that's mean it's add now to our favorites on your Travigo app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.